think everyone should be safe and not sorry while they're out road tripping. So here's 10 tire provisions so you never get stranded again. Nothing ruins a good day or a trip home like a flat tire, but you no longer have to fear with the knowledge and tools, and you'll get the skills hands-on. My favorite is going to be a 1/2-inch impact with the Tekton flip socket set. Just jack it up, throw your donut on, and you're good to go. If you're trying to go cheaper, you can always get a breaker bar and then a solid impact socket to take your wheel off. If space is of the utmost essence, there's always universal lug wrenches and the Koken free turns if you're really bougie. If you're able to see the object, nail, or screw, then try and use some needle nose or a screwdriver to remove it. Tire sealant is also an option if the hole is small enough and it's on the tread. Now that you've got a flat tire full of sealant, or you pulled out your decade-old donut that's flat, it's still gonna have the same problems, so it's not a bad idea to get an air inflator. If you're doing big off-road tires, there's options like a Pro Slime or the Ryobi battery one if you're just doing normal car tires. Those are the basics that should at least get you back on the road, but if you want some stuff to stay extra safe, a flashlight, flares, and hazard triangles aren't a bad idea. Also might be a good idea to carry the core tool with some extra cores just in case you get a leaky one and don't want that stopping your trip entirely. If you were planning to travel through some mountainous terrain, it might not be a bad idea to carry some extra traction aids, or if you live up north. If you're constantly getting flats, you might want to consider investing in run flat tires. They have reinforced sidewalls that allow you to drive up to 50 miles even with a puncture. Wheel chocks and locks are pretty overlooked and insignificant items until you really need them. If you do the basics, like get your oil changed, top off the fluids, and make sure your tires are aligned, have good depth, and are up to spec, then you should be able to prevent most problems.